Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB for unsupported PC for Windows 11. So the very first thing is that you have to download the Windows 11 ISO image. You can get it from the Microsoft's official website. The second thing is that you need Rufus, R-U-F-U-S. That is an application that can be used to create a bootable USB for Windows 11. So basically, I have to turn on the internet and then let's begin the process. Okay, this is the page where you can get the Windows 11 ISO image, but I'm not looking for that one at the moment. So I'm looking for this app, Refuse download. It is connected to which network? Hold on a moment. Yeah, that is fine. And then go to the download website of the Refuse and download the portable edition, which is Refuse 3.15 portable version, which is around 1 megabyte. And download it on your PC and run it. Now once you try to run it, just simply click no and hold on a moment, and now you are here. Now by default the Refuse has choose the device, which is basically the USB flash drive. Now here you have to choose the ISO image of the Windows 11 that you downloaded before. And finally, from here you can also choose the partition scheme, which is GPT or MBR. It is up to you. Now with this method that I'm showing you, that you can pass the GPT, the UEFI, the secure board, and the TPM. So basically you can bypass all of them. For the moment I'm interested with the GPT, and you can see that it is basically UEFI. Everything is set up with that mode. So Windows 11, yep, that is totally okay. And finally click start, and it's going to create a bootable USB of Windows 11. uh, and it's going to take a while because it's going to copy all the files which are located inside the Windows 11 ISO image, and then it's going to put them inside the USB flash drive. Now in the meantime that is going to do that, we'll have to go ahead and bypass create a registry editor that can bypass the TPM 2.0 and the secure board and whatever. So just simply open your favorite browser. At the moment I'm using the Microsoft Edge. So from here will have to come open this website called intozoom.com. So you can see that this is the article, intozoom.com. This is the simply search here for fix this PC can't install Windows 11. You can see that I have already searched here, and there are basically two articles written regarding to this method. One is the new method and the other one is an older version, which is here. So I have already opened both of them in the new tab. So this is the new method. I'm going to explain that inside another video, but at the moment we need this article, which is the first option, how to fix this PC can't run Windows 11. Now if you open this article, just ignore the method number one. It is no needed. Just go ahead to the second method, yep, which is basically this option. We need to get this code. Just simply click on this link and scroll down to the end. Get this code, Control C, copy, and the next step is saying that you'll have to make a registry file of it. You can say that basically paste it inside a notepad and then save it as the registry error. So let's do the same. Notepad, Control V, paste, and then Control S. I'm going to save it in the desktop by the name of bypass tpm 2.0.reg, and then save. Okay, now what the next thing is that we'll have to simply copy this file inside this USB flash drive. Okay, hold on a moment please. You can also remember this is a note. If you are thinking that this is not going to work, then you'll have to change this name to something else that I got it from another website. So basically, let me change the name to this thing: allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU, and then press enter. So now you can see that basically this is changed name. Now we'll have to wait until the file should be copied inside the USB flash drive. Then we are going to simply copy these inside the USB, and the next steps are explained here. So basically here you can see that when you are trying to perform a clean installation, uh, press shift F10 on the keyboard. Basically, hold on, sorry for that. When you are coming here, just you'll have to press shift plus F10 on the keyboard, and you can see that a CMD window will open. As then you'll have to type notepad.exe and then press enter. Now once you press that one, you'll have to basically go click open and then locate the USB flash drive, and finally click all the files and locate the registry files that you find there. Just right click on it and then click merge, and this is going to bypass the TPM 2.0 requirement. So hold on a moment. Yeah, this is basically how you can create a bootable USB for unsupported PC to install Windows 11. Now there is also a new method, and this method is quite handy if you are living in Iran, Pakistan, maybe India, Afghanistan, and the basically Tajikistan, Turkmenistan. I think these countries will be able to access the files. However, USA, Australia, Europe, they are out of the question. So if you are from there, you can use the other method, which is basically this option: fix this PC can't install Windows 11, which is the new method. It is You'll have to download the Windows 11 unlocked version. Basically what it means that this edition of the Windows 11 that you are downloading, it is patched. In other means that it is specifically created for PCs that cannot support Windows 11. So you'll have to download and then install it on your PC. Now as I said before, these download links are basically taken from an Iranian website, and the website is basically called soft98.ir. As I said before, it is not going to work in the European and the other countries. However, it is going to work in Pakistan and other countries. And then go click here, which is basically just system amil. In English it will be operating system, and then you'll have to choose Windows 11. As you can see that in Persian, Windows yazda, and then open it. From here you can see that there is the 2 edition of Windows 11 Pro Enterprise, which is the 22,194, and there is also the Windows 11 all-in-one 22,184 unlocked. You can just simply get this edition of the ISO and then install it on your PC. That's all. There is nothing else needed here. Yeah, just download it and then create a bootable USB and then install it. That's all. There is nothing else needed. Okay, the flash is also bootable. I'm also going to copy this registry editor inside the USB flash drive. Control V paste. Everything is done. Let me, I have to eject the USB and again attach it. Okay, why the USB is not showing? Hold on a moment. Windows X, where is disk management? We need to assign a letter. It has a letter. For some reason it is not showing. Oh, that is totally a new thing. Yeah, you can see that basically the USB has been bootable and everything is ready to go. So this is basically this is how you can create a bootable USB for unsupported PC and then to perform a clean installation. As I said before, you can just simply during the installation make sure that you open this article, sorry, this one. I'm also going to put the link in the description and follow these steps. I have also a video of this thing inside the YouTube channel. You can just simply find it there. So have a nice day, goodbye, and I will meet you guys in the next video.